Find out a RocketReach alternative that is both cheaper and simpler to use. This demo highlights how LinkFinder AI delivers more value at a lower price for contact information enrichment. I can see that they have a $39 per month plan, which only allows you to find out emails, and you can get up to 100 email lookups per month. This plan only allows you to find out emails. You can get up to 100 email lookups per month with this plan. If you want to find email and phone number, you're looking at the second plan. This plan is at $79 per month. It offers you up to 250 lookups per month with this second plan. Now let's compare it with LinkFinder AI pricing. Here we can see the pricing options for LinkFinder AI. For $49 per month, we get up to 5,000 credits, which is equal to 500 emails or 50 phone numbers. Click the LinkFinder AI link in the video description. This will take you to the LinkFinder AI website where you can create your account for free. Here you can create your account for free and start a free trial. Click Start Free Trial to begin using LinkFinder AI. Once you create your free account, you'll be redirected to LinkFinder AI app page, where you can enrich leads with their contact information. I'm going to select LinkedIn profile URL for the input type. For the output type, I select email address. I fill the output type with email address to find out the lead's email. I click to enter the LinkedIn profile URL to discover the lead's email address. I'm going to enter an input LinkedIn profile URL to find out the lead's email address. Click Enrich Data to enrich this lead's information. Profile data found including the lead's email address. Click here to view detailed lead information. Select Output Type to choose the data you want to retrieve. Fill the output type selection with the desired data. Check the cost, which is 50 credits per enrichment. Confirm the cost of 50 credits per enrichment. Click Enrich Data to process the enrichment. Click to view the lead's phone number. Select Output Type to specify the data to retrieve. Fill the output type with the desired data for enrichment. Click Enrich Data to update the lead's information. Click to view detailed lead profile information including name and location. Click Upload CSV to enrich data in bulk. Choose CSV with LinkedIn profile URL for bulk upload, supporting up to 10,000 rows. Click Process 2 items to start bulk enrichment. Click Export to download the enriched data as a CSV file. Click API Access to explore integration options. Click View API Docs to see detailed API usage instructions. Click B2B Data Lookup to access relevant API endpoints. Click LinkedIn Profile T Email to see the API call for email retrieval. Review the curl command example for LinkedIn Profile to Email API call. Click LinkedIn Profile to Email to confirm API details. Click Post LinkedIn Profile to Phone to find a person's phone number from their LinkedIn profile URL. Review the curl command example for LinkedIn Profile to Phone API call. Click LinkedIn Profile to Phone to finalize phone number API details.